I'm Mike Parent, Executive Director of the National Ataxia Foundation, and we are in the midst of the 2015 NAF Annual Ataxia Research Drive. And due to the generosity of an anonymous donor, research donations made now through December 15th will be matched dollar for dollar up to $200,000. I am so very pleased to report, because of our amazing donors, we are now halfway there in reaching the $200,000 Research Matching Gift Challenge. Our heartfelt thank you to all who have given so generously, but we still need your help to reach the $200,000 match. Currently, the National Ataxia Foundation is reviewing more than 100 quality ataxia research proposals from researchers throughout the world. The most promising of these studies, through your help, will be funded later this year. The Annual Ataxia Research Drive plays a critical role in our ability to fund vital ataxia studies in moving research forward. NAF utilizes a multi-pronged approach in supporting ataxia research, bringing in young investigators into the field of ataxia research, supporting new and innovative studies, and funding translational research to bring us closer to finding effective treatments. A number of our young investigators, which NAF had funded some years ago, are now well-established senior investigators who have made exceptional contributions to the field of ataxia research in identifying ataxia genes, creating a better understanding of gene function, and exploring compounds for the treatment of ataxia, as well as mentoring the next generation of outstanding ataxia researchers. The funds which support NAS researchers also has a multiplying effect. Many times a funded NAF researcher is able to leverage additional support from other sources once they receive an NAF research award. Oftentimes, we see a 5 to 10-fold increase in funding, sometimes as substantial as a 100-fold increase. To assure that the most promising ataxia research studies are funded, NAF has created a multi-level peer review system. Peer reviewers independently evaluate and score each assigned research proposal. These reviews are also assessed by NAF's scientific review panel, who also independently evaluates the proposals. The final results and scores for each research application is then presented to NAF's Board of Directors, who make the final funding decision in December of this year. It is never so clear as to the importance of each research donation than during the NAF Board of Directors meeting when the final research funding decisions are made. Each research dollar is so very important, and we look at studies worthy of our support. Too often, important studies go unfunded because of the lack of available funds. Each of us has an opportunity to make a difference. Please help us reach our $200,000 research match and support the best science in the world by contributing to the NAF Ataxia Research Drive. Your research gift provides hope. Thank you.
Yet one of the most frustrating things about ataxia is that very few people have heard of it. So those that have ataxia spend a lot of time trying to explain what's wrong with them to everyone else. To learn more about ataxia, visit www.ataxia.org.